Today, we're pitting two ultra-high-performance titans against each other, the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 and the Pirelli P Zero PZ4. Both are top contenders in the UHP segment, boasting cutting-edge technology and engineering excellence. Let's see how they stack up in various performance categories. First up, let's talk about wet performance. The Pirelli P Zero PZ4 showcased its prowess with a wet braking distance of 38.9 meters from 100 kilometers per hour, slightly better than the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6, which stopped in 39.7 meters. When it comes to wet handling, the Pirelli also edges out the Goodyear with an average lap speed of 77.2 kilometers per hour versus 76.7. However, the Goodyear shines in aquaplaning resistance. In straight-line aquaplaning, the Goodyear slips at 106.3 kilometers per hour compared to the Pirelli's 104.4, and in curved aquaplaning tests, the Goodyear maintains a higher lateral acceleration. This means better contact with the road and improved safety in wet conditions. Moving on to dry performance, the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 takes the lead in dry braking, stopping in just 33.2 meters from 100 kilometers per hour, while the Pirelli P Zero PZ4 takes 34 meters. In terms of dry handling, the Pirelli slightly outperforms the Goodyear with an average speed of 121.3 kilometers per hour compared to 120.9. Both tires offer exceptional dry performance, but the Goodyear's superior braking can provide an added layer of safety. When it comes to wear, the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 significantly outlasts the Pirelli P Zero PZ4. The Goodyear tire can last up to 63,200 kilometers, nearly doubling the Pirelli's lifespan of 32,800 kilometers. This remarkable durability makes the Goodyear a more economical choice for drivers looking for long-term value. In terms of noise, the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 produces 73.2 decibels, slightly quieter than the Pirelli's 73.7 decibels. This minor difference can contribute to a more serene driving experience, especially on long journeys. Finally, let's talk about rolling resistance. The Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 shows lower rolling resistance coefficient at 8, compared to the Pirelli's 8.3. Lower rolling resistance means better fuel efficiency and reduced environmental impact, making the Goodyear a more eco-friendly option. In summary, the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 stands out with its superior aquaplaning resistance, longer wear life, and lower rolling resistance, while the Pirelli P Zero PZ4 offers better wet handling and braking performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.